Yeah. Let's start it. As part of Master AWS Lambda, we start writing AWS Lambda examples using Python programming language. Let's start the first writing first AWS Lambda example called Hello World function. So first go to AWS Lambda, click on first go to AWS Management Console, navigate AWS Lambda service, then click on create function. Then here we need to choose author from scratch. Author from scratch. Then here you can give a function name. Hello world function. Then select a language runtime. I'm selecting Python 3.14. Then remaining options are optional. First one, give a function name, select a runtime environment. Okay. And later we are going to see other options. Right now, remaining options are default options. Then click on create a function. Now you can see, yeah, do not show this message. Click on dismiss. You can see code is generated. Let's wait few seconds. You are going to see code here. You can see code is generated. And let's start understanding this coding. Every AWS Lambda program contain one function name called lambda underscore handler. It takes one parameter is event, another parameter is context. First, let's discuss these two parameters are default parameters in lambda handler. You need to use these parameters in any lambda function development. Later, while implementing, we are going to use these two parameters. Okay, first one. Second point, function should be lambda underscore handler. Okay, next one, Tim. Next one. Here it is generated a default code. If this function is called, it is going to return a message from hello from lambda, or you can change a message hello from Akkem Sreenivas lambda. Okay. Then then first point, first point, lambda name should be this one. Second point, lambda takes these two default parameters. These two default parameters. Third one, inside this function, we can write a definition. And fourth one, once you complete this definition, you have to click this deploy code. Whatever changes you do inside this lambda underscore handler, once that changes are completed, you have to click on deploy. Okay, click on deploy, click on deploy. Once change is completed, you can click on deploy, then click on OK. Now, sorry, now you can see to run fifth step. To run your code, we have multiple ways. One way is test. Click on test. You can test. You can see create a new test event. Then I'm giving hello world, hello world test, hello world test. Then you can see parameters, event parameters. You can give anything. First function, you can give anything. Later, we are going to see how to pass parameters. Okay. Then click on save. Then click on invoke. Click on invoke. Invoke. See, you can see response, output. What is the response here? Hello from Akkem Sreenivas Lambda. It means your lab is executed successfully without any. Clear writing?